Well, go on. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. It's the first time over here. What we do over here is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in a pieces, so each and everyone can understand. Regular Sunday thing, we're gonna do some quick technical analysis, mark up some charts. Today we're gonna look at gold, Nasdaq, as well as EURUSD, AUDUSD. But before we jump into it, quick disclaimer. Alright, gold. Watch where I'm going. Gold is currently at key support level, right? Key resistance, key support. It's at a key support area somewhere there about at 1847.80, right? Whenever price is at a key level, you have to be careful. And we're on the 8-4, right? All markups today are going to be looking at the 8-4. If you want to make your entry, just drop time frames to make that entry, right? Watch me now. The fact that gold is at this key support level, you cannot just jump in and say that you're going to buy or jump in or say you're going to sell or whatever. You got to wait, right? Wait on the basic of trading to be confirmed around the key level. So watch me now. If price does this, goes here, right, breaks through this minor resistance and then retrace and now respect this line as a minor support, right? So it would have shifted from here and come here to create a higher low, right? At this point, we'll go up for our buy. Look at me now, right? So at this time, we go for a buy right here. Once price has created that higher low, all right? Higher low. All right? So if price does this and gold, then we're safe to say that we could just do something like this. All the way here, just below the key resistance right there. Stop loss right below this minor resistance, all right? So that's scenario 1 for gold, right? Let's look at scenario 2. Watch this, right? Price was previously down in this region before. So it's a probability that price can retrace back to this region, right? So you have to be careful. So if price does this, right, break through the key support, retrace and create a low high, then that's the definition of a downtrend. And then we'll do this, right? And all we're gonna do is just look left thereabout to get a support, right? To get that support line thereabout right there. Let's see about here. Get that nice support line right there. And all we would do is this, right? Stop loss right above this line right here. Take profit just above this line right here, right? So follow me now. Whenever price is at this key level right here, you cannot just jump into the trade, right? You have to wait whenever price is at a key level. Y'all get that? All right, let's move on. Nasdaq. All right, so based on what I've been analyzing over the past couple of weeks, right, it wants to appear that Nasdaq is not really ready to take off as yet. So let's play the game, right? Watch me. We're on the 8-4. Can we try doing something like this? Can we try moving this line right here to there, right? So we're on the 8-4. What are you going to do is drop time frames down to probably the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, right? You realize that price has been moving within this region right here on the 8-4, right? So all you're going to do is just wait on the 8-4, right? You're going to wait on the 8-4, right? Let's remove this. You're going to wait on the 8-4 for price to do something like this. Make that double top right there, showing that it respecting this key here, right? Because this is a key level, right? And once it starts to break right here, then you're going to go in for your buy all the way up here. Y'all get that? So right now, price is just really consolidating in this little area right here. But you can actually make some money by dropping time frame within this little area right here, right? But the fact that it's in the middle of the area right here, this is not a safe place to place an order. You want it to hit here, then make a move up. When you drop time frame, then make a move up, retrace a bit, create a higher low, then you jump in for your buy, right? So that's it for Nasdaq. Moving on. Euro USD. One and the same as what I just said with Nasdaq. Look at this. We're on the 8-4, right? Look at what price is doing over the past, what's this, couple of weeks, all the way back to August, right? You see this area on the 8-4 right here? This little box that I have in purple, this is price consolidating, right? This is where price was trending in an uptrend. Say it was consolidating here, right? Trending the uptrend. It hit this key resistance and it's now consolidating. If you want to make some money on the Euro USD, you could do the same thing that I just said on the Nasdaq. All you got to do is this, right? Wait till price hits here. Drop time frames, right? Whenever you drop time frames down to about 15 minutes, 5 minutes, right? All you're going to do is wait for price to do this. Shift, retrace, create a lower high, then you go in for your sell. Right? And when you go in for your sell, right, you're going to do something like this, right? Stop loss right above that key level right there, entry about there, and you take profit about there, right? Because you have to respect this line right here that price is respecting and consolidating in this area, right? So that's a quick way, or you can actually make some money in a consolidated area, all right? Moving on. AUD USD. AUD USD has been a little bit tricky over the past couple of weeks, and that's why I decided to actually give it my perception right today. Watch me now. AUD USD. We're on the H4, right? Price was in this uptrend right here, broke the trend line, came down a little bit, broke this trend line, and what it did when it broke the trend line, right? It created a swing and created a higher low, and that is why we're going here up in this uptrend right here. All right, watch me now. If you look left, right, let's look left on this AUD USD. Let's go all the way left, right? How far are we going back? How far are we going back? All right, it's all the way, like, what's that, December. Price has been high above this key here right here, right? See that? Price has been there before, right? So it won't be a surprise, being that price has been there before on the AUD USD, right? It won't be a surprise, right? If price does something like this, then, right? Retrace, create a higher low, and then just go like that. Because history has showed us that price has been up here before. Y'all get that? So for this one, you could just drop to about the H1, right? Or the M30, right? And all you're gonna do is this, right? All you're gonna do is this, the same scenario, right? So I already showed that it's going in an uptrend, right? When you drop time frame, you're gonna wait for an impulse, wait for a retracement to create a higher low, right? Create a higher low. Create a higher low, right? Once it creates that higher low, then you're just going to go up for your buy, right? Simple as that. So guys, you got to always remember, if price does not do what you want it to do, right, don't enter the trade. Let the market come to you, right? You cannot just jump into a trade like this, right? You cannot jump into the trade like this. You have to wait for it to retrace, stop, see what price is doing, then you enter. So let's take an example, right? Say that price did this, right? came here, when it retraced, it broke the previous low, then you cannot enter for an uptrend, because at this point the definition for an uptrend of higher highs and higher lows would have been void, right? You get that? Does that make any sense? Thanks for watching. Hope this chart markup brought some value to you. If you have any questions, you can always contact me, right, on social media, and I'll definitely answer your questions and assist the best way I can. All right, enjoy your week, guys, and big up to everyone.